In today's world, customers expect their goods to be delivered on time and in full, no matter what. But process inefficiencies get in the way, and without knowing what these are, where they happen, and how to fix them, achieving customer expectations is almost impossible. Celonis' execution management platform applies real-time process intelligence to the data in your systems to find inefficiencies and drive automated actions to fix them, powered by data and intelligence. Here's how it works for the accounts receivable process. Celonis tracks the AR department's core KPIs in real time against industry benchmarks. As we can see, the days dispute outstanding is trending upward. Higher DDO leads to higher DSO, impacting the company's cash flow. By getting this to industry standard, the department can drive $10 million worth of business impact. Here's how. Based on the transactional data which already exists in your systems, Celonis provides you with a real-time X-ray of your accounts receivable process, along with its interdependencies with disputes and order management processes. By default, we're seeing the most common path the process takes, but as we expand, we start to see deviations from the ideal process. The most common deviation is dispute initiated. This single activity alone affects 16% of all invoices and directly results in late payments, as dispute cases need to go through additional processing. As we include every path an invoice could take, we see a spaghetti diagram that shows us the true complexity of how the business runs. Celonis untangles this complexity by diagnosing the who, what, where, when, and why of these process deviations and automatically prioritizes them by impact. The top inefficiency, invoice errors, occurs 280,000 times, leading to disputes. Taking a deeper look, we see that invoice errors alone have an impact of $3.4 million on the cash flow, the main errors being missing address or wrong billing information. Celonis can resolve this issue at scale with action flows. Action flows bridges the gap between insights and executions by orchestrating all the moving parts across a complex technical landscape. It interacts with people, systems of record, enterprise workflow tools, and even RPA bots. This action flow analyzes every invoice on the fly to find invoice errors based on historical data. If the model detects a high level of confidence, Celonis automatically updates the invoice in the system. For a low confidence level, a workflow is triggered for a human in the loop, the Invoice Handler, to review the information. Anyone can build such end-to-end orchestrations with action flows. We have over 1,000 pre-built connectors, and it's a simple drag-and-drop exercise to quickly define the logic. In fact, many clients want to leverage their existing RPA investments like Automation Anywhere, which we support. Let's now have a look at the tasks for our human in the loop, the Invoice Handler. Celonis empowers AR teams with purpose-built applications that provide intelligent process insights and data-driven execution to proactively optimize accounts receivable. Let's see this in action for our Invoice Handler. All relevant tasks are presented with a prioritized list of items that require attention. When selecting a task in the Address Disputes with Invoice Errors category, Celonis provides all the necessary context to take action based on the specialist's knowledge and experience. In this case, the Invoice Handler decides to change the address in the invoice based on the provided information. Let's see how such actions impact our overall KPIs and objectives in the long term. Let's fast forward. Our days dispute outstanding decreased to 25 days. By applying process intelligence to our data to drive intelligent action, Celonis has enabled the team to reach their full potential. Companies are realizing millions in value with Celonis. Are you curious? Visit us at www.celonis.com.